Survival isn't always about battling the elements, it's often about avoiding hidden dangers. The most lethal threat in the wild is often a plant that looks harmless, even familiar. A single mistake in plant identification can be fatal, much faster than hunger or cold. These killers grow everywhere. Riverbanks, meadows, forest edges. They often mimic safe, edible plants, making them especially dangerous. The difference between a meal and a deadly poison is sometimes just a tiny detail. True bushcraft means knowing, with certainty, which plants are deadly. This skill takes patience, study, and respect for nature's complexity. Guesswork is never an option. One hasty bite can be your last. The best survivalists aren't the bravest, they're the most careful. They double-check every assumption, knowing their life depends on it. In the wild, humility and caution are your greatest allies. The discipline to pause and verify is what keeps you alive. Meet water hemlock, North America's most violently toxic plant. Its poison, cicutoxin, can kill within hours, and it looks almost identical to edible wild carrots or parsnips. Hunger and desperation make it easy to mistake this killer for food. The key to survival is noticing the details. Water. Hemlock's root is hollow and chambered, oozing yellowish oil. Its stem is smooth, often streaked with purple. Wild carrot, by contrast, has a solid, carrot-scented root and a hairy stem. In the wild, family resemblance can be deadly. Precision matters. Never trust general patterns. Always confirm the specifics. The forest punishes assumptions, but rewards patience and discipline. If you're not absolutely sure, walk away. Survival is a mental game. Your mind is your best tool, but also your biggest risk. Hunger, cold, and fear cloud judgment, tempting you to take shortcuts. Confirmation bias makes you see what you want, a safe plant, ignoring warning signs. Urgency bias pushes you to act fast, risking deadly mistakes. Experience inflation breeds overconfidence. A little knowledge can be dangerous. The best survivors resist these traps by slowing down and questioning every assumption. Patience isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's always safer to go hungry than to gamble on a plant you're not 100% sure about. In the wild, vigilance is survival. Our ancestors survived not by bravado, but by caution and careful observation. Their primitive protocol was simple: slow down, observe, and respect nature's power. They practiced negative identification, actively looking for reasons a plant might be dangerous, not just reasons it might be safe. One purple splotch or a chambered root was enough to walk away. They checked leaves, stems, flowers, roots, and even consulted others. Humility was their strength. They knew they could be wrong. Double and triple checking wasn't weakness, it was survival. In the wild, restraint is strength. Saying, "I'm not sure, so I won't eat it," is the ultimate success. This mindset let them thrive for generations. Adopt their caution, and you'll stack the odds in your favor. It all comes down to one unbreakable rule. Never eat a wild plant unless you're 100% certain it's safe. Not 99%, absolute certainty only. If there's any doubt, walk away. Your life isn't worth the risk. This rule overrides hunger, bias, and overconfidence. The best preparation is learning plant ID before you ever need it. Study field guides, practice identifying plants, and focus on spotting the deadly ones first. Build your knowledge and discipline now, not when you're desperate. Bushcraft is about respect, knowledge, and caution. Learn your local plants, practice restraint, and follow the rule. If you ever depend on the wild, let wisdom, not hunger, guide you. That's how you survive and thrive.